As summer approaches, it's time to infuse your home with the vibrancy and warmth that this season brings. Whether you're planning lively backyard barbecues, soaking up the sun by the pool, or simply enjoying the serene beauty of your indoor spaces, refreshing your decor can make all the difference. These summer decor ideas will help you create an inviting, cheerful, and stylish atmosphere that truly embodies the spirit of summer. Place bright flowers in a vase. Nothing says summer quite like fresh blooms. Place bright and colorful flowers like daisies, sunflowers, or hydrangeas in vases to elevate any room. Opt for vibrant hues like magenta, orange, and yellow to capture summer's vitality. Decorate with pastel accents. Infuse your home with the soft and soothing tones of summer by incorporating pastel accents like pale yellow or sky blue. Mix and match pastels with neutral tones like white or beige to achieve a harmonious balance. Add beach decor elements. Bring the coastal charm indoors by incorporating beach-inspired decor elements such as seashells, sand, and driftwood. Display seashell collections in glass jars, fill decorative bowls with sand and shells, or hang driftwood art on your walls. Hanging door basket with flowers. Welcome guests with a touch of summer charm by hanging a door basket filled with vibrant flowers. Choose seasonal flowers like daisies, lavender, or geraniums for a cheerful and inviting entrance. Beautiful bowl with lemons. Add a pop of citrusy freshness to your decor with a beautiful bowl of lemons. Position the bowl on your kitchen counter, dining table, or coffee table to invite guests to admire its sunny disposition and enticing fragrance. Implement sunflowers. Embrace the sunny spirit of summer by incorporating sunflowers into your decor. Whether in a vase on your dining table or arranged in a rustic bucket on your porch, these cheerful flowers add warmth and happiness to any room. Hang up straw hats. Give your walls a summery makeover by hanging up straw hats as decorative accents. Select a variety of straw hats in different shapes and sizes, arranging them in a playful composition for a dynamic display. Decorate with greenery. Bring the outdoors inside by decorating with greenery. Place potted plants throughout your home, hang trailing vines from shelves and hooks, and adorn tabletops with lush foliage arrangements for a fresh and vibrant ambience. Create a summer wreath. Give your front door a seasonal update with a DIY summer wreath. Choose summer blooms, foliage, and colorful ribbons to create a wreath that reflects the vibrant energy of the season. Beautiful tablecloth in pastel colors. Elevate your summer dining experience with a tablecloth in a playful print and pastel colors. Coordinate it with complementary tableware to create a cohesive and visually appealing tablescape. White furniture. Create a light and airy ambience with white furniture. Whether it's a crisp white sofa, elegant dining chairs, or a sleek coffee table, white furniture brightens up any space. Wood and reed elements. Infuse your decor with natural elements like wood and reed. Incorporate furniture pieces crafted from reclaimed wood, add woven baskets and rattan accents, or hang bamboo shades for an organic touch. Add a lemon tree. Consider adding a lemon tree to your favorite part of the house for a unique and refreshing summer decor idea. Select the compact variety suitable for indoor cultivation and place it near a sunny window. Summer Tiered Tray. Assemble a summer-themed tiered tray as the ultimate centerpiece. Fill each tier with seasonal fruits, candles, seashells, and other decorative accents to create a visually stunning display. Lemon-themed decorations. Embrace lemon-themed decorations throughout your home. From lemon-printed throw pillows and kitchen towels to lemon-shaped candles and citrus-scented room sprays, these cheerful accents add a playful twist to your decor. By incorporating these elements into your home, you can create a vibrant and cheerful atmosphere that celebrates the essence of summer. I hope these ideas inspire you to refresh your space and enjoy the beauty of the season. Happy decorating and enjoy your summer!